Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that for that purpose, I already have drawn a bigger circle here. Now I'm going to draw few lines, outlines, which is going to show the emotions. So I'm going to draw the eye now. This is the right eye, and this is the left eye. All right. There's going to be a eye drop here. All right, and the mouth. Looks like he's very sad. So this is the basic expressions. This is very easy drawing. You can try at home. Very good for the beginning. This is eyebrow. Now I'm going to fill up the middle point or the middle spaces between those lines. Okay, so this is a clearly dark lines for the eye. Now I'm going to fill up the whole circle inside the bigger circle. Also, I'm going to fill up this circle. All right, so very nice and easy. You can see this is not so tough. Now I'm going to color the whole things. First, I'm going to use this marker. I'm going to color inside the bigger circle. I'm beginning from the left side of the drawing. You can see here. So let's fill up all the spaces inside the circle which are white. Now we're going to make it a bright color. All right, this is the bright green color actually, but sometimes because of the lightings and other reasons colors may change a little bit. Okay, all right, now you can see the impact and the drawings. So this drop, the water drop, we're going to color it the blue color. So let's use the pencil and make it a blue color inside these outlines. So the blue color is done. Okay, this is a very nice drawing. I hope you have seen all the instructions and the procedures, the step-by-step process. You can do practice at home. You can browse through the playlist at my channel and you can select your own choices. This is a very elementary drawing you can learn, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.